everyone! Today, I'm going to share with you one of the most effective ways to build a passive income stream, dividend investing. If you're looking to grow your wealth and earn money while you sleep, this is the video for you. So, what are dividends? Dividends are payments made by a corporation to its shareholders, usually taken from profits. When you own shares in a company, you can receive a portion of its earnings, just for being an owner. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's dive into how you can start building your own passive income stream with dividends. First, look for companies with a strong track record of paying dividends. These are often referred to as dividend aristocrats, companies that have consistently increased their dividend payouts for 25 years or more. Think of companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter Gamble. Next, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and industries to reduce risk. This way, if one sector takes a hit, you're not losing all your income. One of the most important factors in dividend investing is the dividend yield. This is the percentage of the current share price that is paid out in dividends each year. A higher yield means more income, but beware. It can also indicate a riskier investment. Aim for a balance between yield and the stability of the company. Another tip: reinvest your dividends. This is known as a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP. By reinvesting, you're buying more shares of the company, which means more dividends in the future. It's a powerful way to compound your earnings over time. Keep an eye on the payout ratio. This is the percentage of earnings a company pays out as dividends. A payout ratio that's too high may not be sustainable. Aim for companies with a payout ratio of less than 60%. And lastly, be patient. Dividend investing is a long-term strategy. It takes time for your investments to grow and for dividends to accumulate. But with consistency and smart choices, you'll be well on your way to building a significant passive income stream. So there you have it, a simple guide to getting started with dividend investing. If you found this information useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your wealth. Happy investing!